The plan to build a reservoir behind the Whittier Narrows Dam could bring a lot of drinking water to LA County, which of course imports most of its water. But that reservoir could also be the source of a major disaster. The Army Corps of Engineers says the 53-year-old dam there may not be able to hold back the water in the event of a major flood. And today the Corps responded to those concerns. Tony Ginyard has the story.
As the population in LA County grows, so does the demand for water, which is why a plan is being considered to capture and store rainwater in the Whittier Narrows Dam. But there's a problem. In 2006, the dam was deemed unsafe by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. And now communities near the dam are unaware the conservation plan is being considered.
So when you're living underneath the dam and it's an emergency dam, it doesn't hold water most of the time. If it ends up holding water and the structural integrity collapses, those people will be flooded.
We take dam safety very seriously.
Richard Leifield is chief engineer for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers LA District. He confirms if the structure fails, 500,000 people downstream could be impacted. Whittier
Narrows Dam was determined to be a Dam Safety Action Classification 2, which means there's a potential that it has an unsafe situation.
There are two parallel studies taking place. One, a feasibility study to determine if the dam could be used to store water for later release downstream to groundwater recharging basins. The other focused on safety.
The situations that we're evaluating are very rare events, such as a very significant earthquake, a very significant unusual type of flood event. These kinds of events, there's a potential that there may be some seepage through the foundation.
The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers say the dam's use for flood control will take priority over its use for water conservation. In Pico Rivera, Tony Ginyard, Channel 4 News.